Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. If you're looking to transform your life in 2024, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 fitness habits that will change your life for the better. Let's dive right in. First up, start your day with a glass of water. Hydration is key to kickstarting your metabolism and keeping your energy levels up throughout the day. Next, make time for a daily walk. Just 30 minutes of walking can improve your mood, boost your cardiovascular health, and even help with weight loss. Number 3, incorporate strength training into your routine. Lifting weights isn't just for bodybuilders. It helps build muscle, strengthens your bones, and improves your overall fitness. Fourth, prioritize flexibility exercises. Stretching or yoga can improve your range of motion, reduce the risk of injuries, and relieve stress. Fifth, eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Your body will thank you. Sixth, get enough sleep. Aim for 9 hours per night to allow your muscles to recover and your mind to recharge. 7, track your progress. Whether it's through a fitness app or a journal, keeping track of your workouts and improvements can keep you motivated. Number 8, find a workout buddy. Having a friend to exercise with can make your workouts more enjoyable and hold you accountable. 9th, mix up your routine. Don't let boredom set in. Try new exercises, sports, or classes to keep things exciting. And lastly, listen to your body. Rest when you need to and don't push yourself to the point of injury. Fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Check the description for links to the best products to support your fitness journey. Here's to a healthier you in 2024. Catch you next time.